Welcome, everyone is an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. So obviously, as you can see, the phone in front of me is locked, and I can unlock it using the PIN or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're just gonna go back to the page where we get to connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see, already I'm connected. You should be as well. And from there, what you want to do is, while tapping on Wi-Fi, the check mark, once you tap on it, immediately after you want to tap on the next. It's still clickable for about a second or so. So basically, do it like so. It starts processing, then it gives you network error. And you're gonna repeat this as many times as it needs to till basically it progresses further. Oh, there we go. So it looks like we actually might just need to wait a little bit and it disappears on itself. So from here, let's go to next, more. And here you want to set up a different way of unlocking. So let's set up pattern, PIN, or password. Go to next. And as you can see, one of the verification method was a PIN. So we're going to now change it to pattern. I'm going to select no thanks for the secure startup, and in here simply draw the pattern, redraw the same pattern once more, confirm, and once you have set that, what you want to do is hold power key, select reboot or restart, and wait for the device to boot back up. So from here, let's go to the setup process once more. And as you can see, now the unlock method changed to a pattern. So let's draw the pattern that we have set. Skip connection to Wi-Fi. Actually, you could log into to your Google account if you wanted to. It's completely up to you. Now the device is unlocked. So you can do whatever you would do normally throughout this setup. And there we go. As you can see, that is how you would bypass the verification. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.